Shopify by itself is super powerful, but when combined with ChatGPT can boost sales of your Shopify dropshipping business. Now in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the simplest method of launching a profitable Shopify dropshipping store, even if you're just starting out as a complete beginner, by combining both of these powerful tools. So keep watching because I'll cover the entire process of setting up your store, creating high converting product descriptions with the help of AI, and later on I'll reveal a few steps to help me generate 5 figures per month with Shopify dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell any kind of products without having to hold your own stock or inventory. For example, today I'll take this product from AliExpress, which only costs $6, upload it to my branded Shopify store, and sell it for $29 to make a profit while the supplier takes care of the rest. To get started with Shopify dropshipping, you first need to find winning products to sell. There are many product research methods, but my favorite is using TikTok because it's easy to find trending winning products. So this method consists of creating a brand new TikTok account and optimizing it to show you product videos by searching hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. Once you do that, you'll have a massive selection of products to choose from to find your winning product. Now, to actually know if your potential product can be your winning product, you need to follow this winning product criteria. Number 1. The product is a problem solver. This will at least give the product some purpose and reasons for the customers to buy it. Number 2. Your product is in a niche with a high search volume because you can later advertise your product on multiple platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Google, Pinterest, and so on. The best way to figure that out is by going to Google Trends and searching for your niche or the name of your product. The next thing we'll do is to get us a free trial of Shopify. So click the link in the description of this video or simply go to shopify.pxf.io/start and it will redirect you to the special deal from where you can get a free trial of Shopify for just $1, which is great. Now here, type in your email address and click Start Free Trial. Next, let's skip the survey by clicking on Skip All. Next, select the country from where you're gonna run your business. And then finally create your login credentials. Once you've done, you'll find this beautiful dashboard. Don't panic, I'm gonna show you how everything works here. Now before moving on, let's activate our Shopify account by selecting a plan. For beginners, I always recommend choosing the basic plan. If you choose a monthly cycle, after your 3-day free trial, you will be paying $1 to run your store for free. But when your trial expires, you will be paying $39 per month, which becomes a little bit expensive. On the other hand, if you decide to pick a yearly cycle, you will be only paying $29 monthly. So I recommend choosing this plan to save up to $120. For now, I'll select the monthly cycle. Next, complete your business address including your payment methods. It's crucial to note that after your 3-day free trial, you will be charged $1 to use Shopify for the next 3 months for free. That being said, just click on subscribe. Now let's choose our Shopify theme, which will define the appearance of our dropshipping store. So go to Online Store. By default, we have the Shopify theme called Done, which is actually great to start selling, but we'll choose a more advanced theme called Sans. So scroll down a little bit and click on Add. And click on Publish. Next, I'm gonna show you how you can add products from AliExpress to your Shopify dropshipping store. So to do this, we first need to connect our Shopify store to AliExpress suppliers by using a free app called DSers. If you prefer to use a paid alternative, I'll be linking AutoDS in the description. So click the link in the description of this video and you'll be redirected to this page. Here, go to Try. Once done, type in your email and your password and click on Create Account. Next, select Shopify and click Install to link AliExpress to our Shopify store. Now click this button and select your Shopify account. Now click Install App and click Confirm. Here, select the basic plan and then choose AliExpress to link to its suppliers. Now on the last step, simply create your AliExpress account and click on Authorize. Now we need to install the DSers Chrome extension to be able to push AliExpress products to our Shopify store. Now go to extensions and pin DSers in your browser. Now go to aliexpress.com and on the search bar type in the name of the product you have found on TikTok to dropship. After finding the product you want to sell, simply select it and click Add to DSers. Perfect. Now go to DSers and click on the Import List section. Now go to Edit, then click on Variants to see which kind of variants will be imported to your store. Once done, click Save. Now hover over your product and click on Push to Store. Now to check your product, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Products, and boom. Okay, this is probably the most important step of this video, which is creating high converting product descriptions. Even using the help of AI, many dropshippers don't know how to prompt correctly to really get out of the most of this tool. So pay close attention to this part of this video because we're gonna teach ChatGPT about the product we want to sell so it can craft the best copy. To get started, delete the full title and the description of your product. Next, copy the name of your product. Open up ChatGPT and here type in the following prompt. This is the name of a product on aliexpress.com and then paste the name of your product. Next type in this is the description of the same product and then go to your product description on AliExpress and then copy it and then paste the description on ChatGPT. Now type in ChatGPT, did you understand what this product is about? If yes, say yes. But if you didn't, say no and hit enter. Most of the time ChatGPT will understand what your product is about, but if it didn't, you will certainly need to provide more information. Okay, after this, prompt the following. Cool. Give me product name ideas to rebrand this to my Shopify dropshipping store. After that, hit send. Next, let's create a product description. So prompt, now create a product description highlighting the main pain points and benefits of this product. As you can see, ChatGPT will automatically associate a best name to your product description, which is actually great. Okay, now we have everything we need to start selling at our Shopify dropshipping store. Okay, now copy your product name generated by ChatGPT. Go to Shopify and paste it right here. Next, copy the description of your product. Go back to Shopify and paste it here. If it's possible, I also recommend changing some of the words in your product description to make it sound a little bit more natural. Next, let's scroll to media. These images aren't professional, so I'm gonna show you how to find the best images that you can use at your dropshipping store for free. So open up your original product page from AliExpress and take a screenshot. Next, upload your images to Google Images by clicking on this button. Next, go to Find Image Source. And here you'll find a lot of websites that you can spy and get some inspirations or even steal some of their images. Here, simply open up each website and download the images you'd like to use on your dropshipping store. I recommend downloading images with less text because those can easily help you build more credibility and trust to your brand. Now going back to Shopify, just remove those images that doesn't convey trust and upload new images. Next, let's set prices. So let's head over to variants and select all of them. Now go to more actions and click on edit prices. Here's at a price you would like to sell your product. Apply it to all variants and click done. On search engine listings, you don't need to edit anything because our product description is optimized for search engines. Once done, click save And let's preview our product page. Combining a great product description with reviews is also a very smart strategy because it can increase sales of your Shopify dropshipping store by 18%. Now the best part is that you don't need to fake your reviews because we can actually import real reviews from the original products from AliExpress to your Shopify dropshipping store with just one click. To add reviews to your dropshipping store, we'll be using a Shopify app called Loox, which you'll find the link in the description of this video. Here, simply click install the app, and get a 7-day free trial of the beginner plan since we're building a branded Shopify store. Once you choose the plan, simply approve your next bill. Now here, answer a few questions and set a few settings related to your Shopify dropshipping store branding. Once done, head over to import reviews, drag and drop this button to your bookmark bar, and then click go to AliExpress. Here you can open the link of the product you are dropshipping and click on import to Loox. Now select the product you would like to import reviews on your Shopify dropshipping store, choose the type of reviews you want to display on your product page, and click import. Next, choose which reviews you want to accept by clicking on import. And to decline some of those, click on reject. I recommend choosing some reviews with less than 5 stars as those can build more credibility to your Shopify dropshipping store because a perfect store doesn't exist. Once done, click on finish importing. Now if you go to your product page, you'll find more of those reviews we need to boost your sales. Now I'm gonna show you how you can edit pages and menus from your Shopify dropshipping store. So head over to your Shopify dashboard and under online store, click pages. For now we have the contact page, so let's click on it. On the title, I recommend you leave it as it is. Now in content, you can type what your customers can expect from your return. To make it a lot easier, you can go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Next, copy the explanation generated by ChatGPT, paste it into your content field in your Shopify dashboard, and hit save. Next, let's edit the menus of our dropshipping store by going to navigation. Let's start by editing the main menu, which always stays at the top of our dropshipping store. Here I'll delete the catalog page and go to add menu item. Next, go to search, products, and select your product. Next, edit the label with the name of your product because that's what's gonna appear on the link. After that, click add. If you also think it's convenient, you can rearrange the order of these items. Now go back to the main navigation panel. Now we'll edit the footer, but before we get going, we need to create legal pages and assign those to the footer. So let's head over to settings, scroll a little bit, and click on policies. If you want, you can turn on these return tools, but I recommend keeping those switched off. Now here you can click on create from templates to create your legal pages, and then later you can review those and change the text between the brackets. Okay, as you can see here, there's no option to create shipping policies, but with the help of ChatGPT, we can generate our own in a matter of clicks. So here, prompt the following: create a basic shipping policy page. Next, copy your newly generated policy and paste it into the shipping policy field. After that, hit save. Once done, return to the navigation tab and click on footer. Here, delete the search label, go to add menu item, and on search, go to policies. Now here select each legal page one by one and then click add. Now repeat the same process to add as many legal pages as you need. And once done, click on save. Okay, now let's move on to customization, but first we'll be creating a logo to use at our Shopify dropshipping store using Canva. So go to canva.com. Now go to create a design and click on custom size. Here type in 500 by 200 pixels and click on create new design. Now select the text tool and here choose any style of font you want. Now to change the main text, simply double click on it and type in your brand name. Now to increase or decrease the size of your font, you can use these icons. Now to download your image, go to share, download, and click on download again. If you're using a free version of Canva just like me, you'll not be able to download your logo with a transparent background. So to remove your background, you'll need to go to this website called remove.bg and upload your logo to remove the background. And once done, click on download and there you have it. Now let's customize the design of our Shopify dropshipping store. So go to online store and head over to customize. From here you can preview the layout of your Shopify store. Now from this drop-down menu, you can switch to different pages of your Shopify dropshipping store. For example, let's select the main product page because this is the most important page of your Shopify store. Now here you can see the preview of how your dropshipping store is gonna look for mobile devices. Here you don't really need to worry about this because everything you do on the desktop view will also reflect on mobile devices. Now on the left sidebar we have different sections that always start at the top with the header and the content of the page. Now if you don't need a specific section, you can simply select it, click on these three dots and click on hide. Sometimes the name of your store might appear in your product description, and to remove it, it's basically the same process I showed you before. First, select the element you want to remove and click on hide. Next, let's go back. Go to settings and click on colors. Now here choose the color scheme that you want. Once done, play around with your brand colors until you find something you like or that combines with your store. Next, let's upload our custom logo. So go to select image, click on add, and then click on done. Now by using this slider, you can increase or decrease the size of your logo. Next, you can switch the preview to the desktop view, and if needed, you can increase the size as well. Once done, click on save. Now let's customize the home page of our dropshipping store. First, let's go to sections. Here hide a featured collection and then select the image with text. Next, go to select image, upload the image you want to use as a banner and click on done. Now go back, click on add block, and here select the text block. Next, you can drag and drop the text like this. Now if you don't know what to write, you can ask ChatGPT to write eye-catching headlines and text that relate to your product. Here I'll copy this headline and go to Shopify. Now select your heading and paste your headline here. If needed, you can also change the heading size. Next, select the text block and go to ChatGPT. Here simply copy the text, go to Shopify and paste it right here. Okay, now let's increase the section padding of the image with text to separate it from the footer. So let's click back. Now go to image with text, scroll all the way and increase the padding. Once done, click on Save. If you want to grow your business across different platforms or interact with your customers, you can also add your social media links on the footer. Now to do this, go to Footer and click on Theme Settings. Now here, simply paste your social media handles. Once done, click back, and under the footer section, click on Add Block. Now select the main menu block and adjust the settings accordingly. Once done, click on Save, and then let's move on to the next steps where Susan is going to show you how to customize a few settings so we are ready to go.
First, go to your main Shopify dashboard and click on Settings. The first thing you can do here is change your store details. Now, to start receiving payments at your dropshipping store, we first need to set up payment gateways. So to do this, go to Payments. Here we have Shopify Payments. If it's available in your country, simply click on Complete Account Setup, and you will be prompted to add your business details, including your bank account. But if you can't use Shopify Payments, you still have the option to use PayPal. Now, to find more payment options, click on Add Payment Method, and then from the search bar, you can search for any payment method you want. Now, if you want to sell internationally, you need to activate the Market option. So go to Markets, and on Overview, click on International. Next, switch this option to Active and click Save. Once done, let's set free shipping rates. So go to Shipping and Delivery and click on General Shipping Rates. Now delete this shipping zone and click on Create New Zone. Now on zone name, you can type in Free Shipping Worldwide, checkmark the International option, and click on Done. Now go to Add Rate, and on the rate name, type in Free Shipping Worldwide. Next, set of prices as $0 and click on Done. After all, click on Save to save changes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can set up a custom domain. As you can see, this domain is very unprofessional. That's why we can't use it at our dropshipping store. So to get a domain, click on Buy New Domain, and on search, type the name of your store. Here you are free to choose any extension you want, but I recommend choosing the .com version. Now here, put your business details, and after all, click on Buy Domain. Now let's open our Shopify store by turning off the password protection. So go to Online Store and click on Preferences. For SEO purposes, here you can type in the name of your product, a little description about your product, and click on Save. Now we can disable the password protection. So scroll all the way to the bottom, disable the password of the store, and click Save. Now to preview your store, click on View Store, and there you go.